Canda namanya.
Canda dan tawa.
Your nickname Canda.
Canda
Oh,
dan
Canda.
tawa.
Canda. Hai Canda. Hai. Hai. And yeah, congratulations for you because right now you are presenting your research proposal in this morning seminar. This is a nice topic.
Yeah.
Nice topic.
Sangat
Yeah.
up to date, sir.
Up to date. Okay. TikTok. Is there anyone here who provide content of TikTok?
All of them, I think.
All of you. But the expert one is here, Pak
Yes.
Mohtar. YouTuber, TikToker, apa lagi? Selebgram. Itu selebriti ya. Kalian ini artis semua sesungguhnya ya.
Iya, artis semua yang
Artis.
bisa.
Karena kenapa? Sudah memposting di TikTok itu sudah artis.
Iya, betul, sir.
Artinya ada audiens Anda.
Oh, dulu
Bagaimana?
cuma orang punya akses televisi.
Nah.
Cuma orang
Guru artis, TikToker juga artis
Anda.
Karena banyak follower. Okay? So
bayar orang masuk.
that's why I say that this is really interesting for you because
Go
you
viral.
already choose this topic here as well, and you involve TikTok in instructional media, instructional media for what? Learning English. See? Okay. Later on I would like to commend the reviewer and also the second supervisor suggested, but Marsanda, after looking at your PPT, let me confirm about your proposal, whether you are going to investigate TikTok or
Ya,
students' motivation.
Yes.
That's very, very essential for you. Okay? Which one? Investigate students' motivation?
Could you please show the
Yeah, your
research
proposal.
question for
Because a couple weeks ago, I already suggested about this. Okay, the same question for you, and then you say motivation, sir. So, nice enough. But right now, I look at this PPT. What factors motivate students to use? What factors motivate? Nah, it tends, number one, the first question, it tends to see about TikToks again here, not motivations for learning here. Okay, so you may change this one here because TikTok is only instructional media. Okay, to engage or to increase the students' motivation here. Okay. Factors. What factors motivate? This is not the students' motivation about this, but only the media. Okay. So yeah, and the second question, what do the students think about influence of TikTok? Okay, it could be yes, because you refer to the students itself here. Okay, well, that's the first one here. Okay, so try to keep in your mind that you are going to investigate the students' motivation. Yeah, not only how to use the TikTok. Okay, because you are not the expert here. Okay, you are not the expert of TikTok design. What? Okay, the second one, I still wonder that you could have answered the questions stated by Mem Magfira here in order to differentiate between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Do you know? Tadi saya sudah sebut hati yang paling dalam.
Iya.
Which one here? Intrinsic or extrinsic?
Kalau dari hati itu yang mana itu? Extrinsic or
Cinta tumbuh dari hati.
dari dalam, ekstrinsik dari luar
Dan
kan.
ingin memiliki.
Nah, TikTok itu kan
masuk dalam mana?
ekstrinsik kan dari luar.
Nah, intrinsik ya. Jadi apa itu yang coba di pikiran Anda intrinsic motivation sesungguhnya? Coba. You may say in English or Indonesian.
Dari dalam hati atau dari dalam dompet?
ya.
Mana motivasi yang paling bagus?
Ketika Pak Associate Professor Pak Mohtar assign you to learn vocabulary or to practice speaking through TikTok, is it as a kind of intrinsic or extrinsic, and then you will get score, high score or good score.
Yeah.
Extrinsic or intrinsic?
Extrinsic.
Yes, because there is what is it here? Apa itu? Gift ya? Atau oke, sayembara siapa yang bisa membuat konten di TikTok yang bagus akan mendapatkan rupiah 1 juta.
Tiket umroh.
Tiket umroh. It's a kind of extrinsic. Ya, berarti sudah paham ya? Nanti dijelaskan lagi di chapter itu about terminology.
Ya,
And
itu
extrinsic.
penting.
Karena tadi kalau Pak reviewer nanti bertanya tentang itu, sudah
Intrinsic.
hebat. Nah,
Ya.
bisa. Jadi question stated by co-supervisor is only reminding for you, just that reminder, yeah. Okay, pengingat. Okay, well, and yes, you are going to investigate the students' motivation, right? Masana, okay, that's what here. Then, as the reviewers, what is it here? Ask you to find the participants who are skillful, who have a skillful, who are the expert of what? TikTok, or usually use TikTok, but let's say TikToker. So try to see first here, in order to have the participants or respondents here that they know about TikTok. Bukan lagi orang yang baru belajar. Huh? Okay, that's you should explain about the participants here. Okay, tadi sudah di minimize, tidak perlu banyak ya.
Iya.
Perlu banyak, tidak perlu sampai 15.
15 banyak sekali.
Nah, dia butuh.
Iya.
Adakah karakteristik dari 15 orang itu yang berbeda? Nah, kalau sama semua tidak perlu terlalu banyak. Oke. Nah, jadi tadi poinnya adalah apa? Participants paling aktif dan oke, itu dilihat dulu dan dijelaskan nanti di subjek ini. Oke, paham deh? Oke. Research tadi research location, research site ya. Research site. You state here that you are going to investigate the students' motivation. Students of Tadulako University ya, English Education Study Program ya. Oke. Tidak ada masalah semester berapa. Yang penting dia TikToker ya.
Iya.
Boleh ditanya, berapa lama sudah kamu apa namanya? Ya, memakai TikTok. Nah, terus hal-hal apa saja, kan? And then try to reduce that reduction ya.
Iya, banyak sekali pertanyaan.
Itu penting nanti. Tidak apa-apa lebih
sekali.
banyak spread out data ya, information, but try to reduce later, okay? Then TikTok use as instructional media in learning. Nah, itu poinnya nanti, okay? Then the second one you should know about this, yeah. Whether you already limited here on your proposal, yeah, the data that you are going to investigate, yeah, it should be done, yeah, by the researcher here. What's it there? Yeah. To specify, yeah, to specify what data that you are going to analyze. Do you have any here? The scope of the research? You say that what? Intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. There's no other terms ya about motivation. Atau motivasi dari pacar lama misalnya. Tidak ada ya? Nah, okay, tidak. Hanya dua saja ya. Intrinsic and and try to mention intrinsic motivation because it's a kind of psychological factors ya. Jadi ada psikologi faktor-faktor psikologi yang seperti apa semua itu, misalnya intrinsic motivation that can help the students to learn English through TikTok. Apa coba kira-kira dalam konten